it's my turn to settle down, my main concern. Promise that you will sing about me. Promise that you will sing about me. My feelings deeper than 3 ditch diggers. I figure I pencil something rigorous before my mind triggers another misfortune or an enigma. Will I just run away or run to another nigga? Yeah, this life of mine ain't been easy, but it's still running like time. And in due time, everything will be fine, right? It's hard to sleep at night, and I'm battling all my thoughts like 2 fools in a fist fight. So I might just write or record for the record. They ask me who I grind for, and if I ever see that door, I'll run through it. My life depends on it more. I was never a hero, always misunderstood. Yeah, I had a blackened childhood. I'm not from the hood, came from a good place with money in the bank and food on my plate.